welcome back to DIY RV and Home with Greg. Today, installing a MaxxFan, but first we got to unbox it to see what's in it. So I got to see what tools to install it. That's the only reason I'm doing this video. I really don't normally do these, but got to find out anyway, so I'm going to bring you along. Let's get her open. Now this is midway through April, and I'm just opening this thing up. Got it for Christmas. Well, you know, winter's there and everything. So here we go. Let's see. Oops. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, need that. Where'd it go? That was the instructions. Oh my Lord, where'd they go? Okay, well, we'll find those instructions in a minute. My son will do. Looks like I got a remote. Found it. All right. Instructions. Men, take my word. Sometimes you do need the instructions. All right. Let's get in here and let's see. Comes with some, looks like new screws and butt connectors. And it looks like it's the heat shrink type, so that's good. Anything else we need in here? Probably going to need a little hand saw or something like that to cut the trim. So we'll get that. We'll need a screwdriver, screw gun, whatever you got. I know for a fact you're going to need something to scrape off the old Turnabon, or excuse me, not the Turnabon, but your Dicor and your sealant up on the roof. If you got rubber roof, make sure you use something that's like plastic or something like that. Back up a little bit, so it doesn't damage your roof. You want to be very careful when you're doing this. So, got an idea what I need. I'm gonna gather it up. We're gonna swing around. Next thing you'll see, well, actually, you got to click on the next video to see this next part. But real quick, what we got in here? Here. Forgot this was an unboxing. We got our fan. Look at the size of those blades. Man, this thing's gonna move some air. Got the smoke top on it. This one's got 10 speeds on it. Rain sensor, so it'll automatically shut. The remote control, so we can be kicking back on the other side of the trailer. You know, that old, let's see where the fan is for us. 8 feet from the fan. That's a long ways to get up when you're, you know, enjoying yourself. So, we got the remote control. Here's that trim piece I was taking. We're going to need a saw to cut it down so we can fit the roof. And cardboard. I think that's it. So, if you want to see the install, you're going to have to click on the next video. If not, well, hope I see you on the next one after that then.